Okay, this is a really quick video to show you how to make the binging stop while kids are using the chat in Teams. So right here, you see I have a little picture. This is a picture of my son and I that I put here. You probably have a picture, not a picture, you probably have there'll be a circle with the first letter of your child's name and a number. So all you're gonna do is click that. You're gonna go to settings. You are going to go to notifications. Sorry. You're gonna go to notifications. You're gonna go to chat. And right here when it says replies, you're gonna put off. You don't want to hear that anymore, so you're going to have off. And that should make the binging stop. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.